New footage shows houses in the Canadian town of Fort Erie fully encased in ice after the powerful winter storm that has struck North America. No fatalities were reported in these homes, but more than 65 people have died in the last few days as a result of that storm.
And speaking of the weather, look at this, the Canadian town of Fort Erie that has been turned into an ice town, with these houses fully encased in ice after that powerful winter storm that struck North America, killing more than 65 people in the last few days. Temperatures have fallen so low that parts of the Niagara Falls have also frozen over, and you can see the thick layers of ice and snow around the waterfall on the northeast border between the US and Canada. The storm brought over 4 foot of snow in places, but slightly warmer weather is now on the way.
And Canada as well, because it is getting much milder. Temperatures across the eastern side of North America will be above average for the time of year. Massive swings in temperatures there.
Well, not quite that cold here, thank goodness, but let's get the latest weather forecast for you from Matt Taylor. Hi, Matt.
Hi, Ben. Incredible scenes there. They're actually going to finish the year with temperatures 10 to 20 degrees above normal, rather than the cold they have seen. For us, well, instead of big freeze to thaw, it's gone from grey to blue today after that miserable wet day many saw yesterday. At long last, we've seen a little bit of sunshine across most parts through today, but there have been a few showers around. It's not been completely dry picture. Some captured here off the coast in Northern Ireland earlier, and there is more rain to come to see the year out. If we just show our rainfall forecast for the rest of this year, you'll notice how the blue colours mounting up in the west. We've got winds coming off the Atlantic, so bringing some mild air for many, but those rainfall totals totting up. And Met Office particularly concerned through tonight into tomorrow morning across parts of Dumfries and Galloway and the borders.
We do have some clearer skies around at the moment. It's been a day of sunshine and chillier winds and some blustery showers, but things are going to be changing. There is more water in the forecast, and a lot of it's going to come from this cloud here. That's going to be sweeping its way in from the Atlantic, bringing the cloudier skies and bringing rain to many western and eventually northern areas of the UK. Moving into colder air in Scotland as well. Overnight into tomorrow, we could see quite a bit of snow falling over the higher parts of northern Scotland, maybe 20 centimetres, and there could be an inch of rain falling in Northern Ireland, perhaps more rain than that across some southern parts of Scotland, where we have this amber rain warning from the Met Office. Given all the rain we've had, there's likely to be some further flooding in this part of the country.
Hello there. Well, things have certainly been fairly unsettled over the last few days, and that remains the case as we round off 2022 with further spells of wet and windy weather taking us into the weekend. But as we start the new year, there are hints of something a little bit more settled on the way.
Hello there. It was a bit chillier today, sunshine and a few blustery showers. The weather should be improving tomorrow, but there is some rain heading our way for a while.
A very good evening to you. Windy, wet weather to come as we head through the next 24 hours and the final stages of the year. Wintry conditions for Scotland. Here, colder air with sleet, snow and icy stretches. And a lot of that wet weather working its way in from the west in the next 24 hours with the colder air across Scotland here. Fresh falls of sleet, snow, as well as those icy conditions. And a similar theme as we end the year. The final stages of 2022 looking pretty lively with brisk winds and bursts of rain to come.